In this demo, we'll demonstrate how Sentrilite monitors a hybrid multi-cloud cluster, watch live telemetry, add high-risk rules across the entire infrastructure, and export a PDF summary. We begin on the Sentrilite main dashboard by uploading a simple CSV that lists your nodes across AWS, Azure, GCP, and on-prem cluster. The CSV file uses two columns, server IP and group, where server IP is node's IP address, and the group is a label, for example, AWS, Azure, GCA, private, etc. The group is used to target rules to specific nodes. After upload, Sentrilite validates entries, auto-creates groups, and instantly populates the fleet view with tiles showing node status, recent alerts, and AI insights. Next, we will run a single command to deploy Sentrilite agent on an Amazon EKS cluster and an on-prem cluster. kubectl apply -f sentrilite.yaml. Kubernetes schedules one Sentrilite agent per node as a DaemonSet and automatically pulls the container image from our Docker registry. Within seconds, the agent pods on the EKS node show live status. Upon clicking the dashboard link, we can see live events on that server. For example, we will click on one of the EKS node's dashboards to see the kernel events being captured on that node related to network, process, and user activity. Back on the Sentrilite main dashboard, we will add high-risk rules for the AWS fleet by checking nodes belonging to groups AWS and on-prem cluster. For example, flag any command containing netcat or nc to catch suspicious outbound activity with risk level 1. Rules hot reload, no restarts needed. To generate signals, we will exec into a small debug pod and run nc-l5000, which opens a port on that container. Next, we will run another risky command, cat/etc/password. Upon doing this, the status of the AWS Sentrilite agents changes to critical. Upon clicking that, we can see some details of the alerts generated. Sentrilite also watches entire fleet's cluster health. If a container on any cluster is OOMKilled, it emits a targeted alert and links it to the exact pod/container/process, making triage fast. To simulate this, we will create a container with very low memory and run a command to consume all its memory, thereby making it OOMKilled. For example, here's the kubectl command that creates a container with only 32 megabytes of memory. We can check that the container was OOMKilled using the kubectl command, kubectl-n getpods. To wrap up, we will generate the PDF report with all alerts summary with the Download PDF report button. The report includes a list of high-risk findings with detailed summaries, rule tags, and full Kubernetes context ready, which helps triage and diagnose the issues easily. It captures the alerts created by the rules as well as the OOMKilled pods. That's Sentrilite for hybrid multi-cloud infrastructure. A seamless one-command deploy, live kernel-level telemetry enriched with Kubernetes metadata, rule-based risk scoring, and an audit-ready PDF, delivered in minutes. With Sentrilite, we can manage and monitor Azure AKS, Google GKE, and on-prem Kubernetes for true hybrid, multi-cloud coverage, all from a single dashboard.